Hi YouTube, Dylan here, and in this drawing video, I'm going to be teaching you all how to make your own picture of the Genie from Disney's Aladdin and played by the late and great Robin Williams. So, let's begin. The Genie's head is kind of shaped like maybe a pear or a bell or even a gourd. So you draw this nice little pear shape. Make sure this side is a little smooth and this side is a little bit more detailed, a little bit more moved. And draw very loose and light, because we are not going to use all these lines later on. And then we got to draw the center line. Got to draw his back neckline right here, his shoulder there. And we also got to draw a kind of a V shape for one of the guidelines so that we know where his nose and where his mouth will start. And maybe another one to know where his eyes will go. Okay, now let's draw his eyes. And his eyes, they're kind of these like curved diamonds or almost oval shapes. And make sure that the back line is slightly thick. Then draw the other one. Make sure it's a slightly smaller because he's turned. Then we're gonna get those in. We're going to put two small ovals on the bottom for his pupils of his eyes. Then we're going to put smaller circles on top for the highlights. And then you can color in everything else dark. Then we're going to define his sides of his face, his cheek right here. And you're going to draw another cheek line right there. And then draw his nose, which will be this kind of half circle that goes like this. Get his other cheek right here. There's his other cheek. Okay, now let's draw his mouth. He's going to be smiling, so we're going to give him this big kind of U shape and one at the bottom right here. Well, it's more of a backwards J shape. This is basically the inside of his mouth. And then get his bottom teeth, which is basically like a square, and then draw two lines. Here's another teeth line up here. Here's the inside, and then draw two curves that go like this for the tongue. We've drawn the tongue a bunch of times in these videos, and then you can just lightly shade his mouth in. Not all the way black. Just like that. Okay, before we get to the rest of his head, he's got a beard, and it's basically these curves that follow the shape of his lower chin, and they go on each end. Get the bottom end. Then you're gonna make another line and make sure they all go from thin at the top to thick at the bottom. Okay, then you can before we get the other part of his beard, just fill in the little area. Quickly get that in. All right, then you're gonna make a curve that goes up here, and then right at the end here, you're gonna put a little oval, and then do the same thing we did earlier. Make sure it goes thick at the bottom, but gets thin at the top end, like that. And then fill that in dark. All right, next we need to draw the back side of his head, and we need to draw his ears. We'll start with this one, and it's going to be almost a little bit like a teardrop, but it's curved back here. We've drawn these ears a few times. And then you're going to draw the outer edge and oval, or maybe a C shape for the inside of the ear. Now we got to draw his eyebrows, which will be these kind of moon shapes, sideways moons, and one will be raised up a bit, just like that. Then you color those in dark. Get the top end of his head, and then curve at the bottom. And up here, you're going to put his ear that's hidden behind, because you don't see the whole ear when he's turned. Then we'll maybe darken in his neck and shoulder lines. All right, next, for the last thing, we got to draw his hair. So it's basically this kind of like tie or bead. It's kind of tied in a ponytail. So you're going to draw this curve up here, another one here, make sure it goes to a point, then put another one here, and curve it down like an backwards S. And then fill that in as well. And there you go. That is Aladdin's pal, the Genie. I hope you all had fun. And if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll see you next time. Bye.